Good morning, students. How are you? You all are fine? Studying well at home? Yes? Good. So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 8. And the name of the lesson is First Aid. Okay? Have you ever heard this word first aid? Heard? So what do you mean by first aid? What is the meaning of first aid? Yes, tell me. First aid means to help a person in emergency situations. That is known as first aid. So what is first aid? First aid means to help a person in emergency situations, or in short we can say that emergency medical help. Okay? Emergency medical help. Now, we follow the safety rules, but sometimes what happens? Accidents occur, isn't it? Like while playing also, if we are playing with our friends, whether it is in school or at home or in playground, wherever it is, what happens? Sometimes our friends get injured. So what we have to do at that time? We should, if simple injury is there, then it's okay. But then also what we used to do, if bleeding is coming out, if simple injury is there, then what we used to do? We use first aid box. And in that first aid box, what all things we have to keep? What all things we have to keep? We have to keep a roll of cotton bandage, Dettol, antiseptic cream, bandage, scissor, then Vaseline or any other ointment. For this is emergency treatment. So we should keep all these things. Simple things we have to keep. Okay. Then the injured person, if the affected area is bleeding very much, then what you will do? By seeing that bleeding, you should not get panic. You should be very calm and quiet. You should think first. At this time, what we have to do? Okay, you should not get panic. By seeing the bleeding, you should not get afraid. You should be very calm and quiet, and the person should get the fresh air. No one will, the whole people will not make crowd over there. The person should get fresh air. Okay, and you think what I can do. So first what we have to do? First take a piece of cotton and clean that area. After cleaning, again take piece of cotton and dip it in Dettol and put that cotton in the place where in the affected area. Okay, in the affected area, and bandage that area. Then also bleeding is coming, then what we have to do? We have to take that person to the doctor for better treatment. Okay, so that period of time when you have done the treatment, that period of time is known as emergency medical help. Okay, that period of time is known as emergency medical help. Okay, so now you have understood what we have to do at that time. We should clean that affected area first, then put Dettol or any antiseptic cream over there, and if the bleeding is coming, then we should bandage it or then leave it. If again bleeding is coming after putting the cream also, again bleeding is coming, then we should take that person to the doctor for better treatment. So this is for while playing and we are getting injured. But if some insects bites, then what happens? Or sting us, at that time what happens? That area used to become, what become? That area used to become swelling. That area gets swelled, or we may cause severe pain. So at that time what we have to do? First wash that area with water. Okay, first what we have to do? First we have to wash that area with water. Then after that we should put ice pack on that affected area. We should put ice pack on that affected area, and if itching is there, then what should we have to do? We should apply calamine lotion. Okay, if itching is there, then what we have to use? We should use calamine lotion over that affected area. So these are the things we have to do in emergency treatment. Okay, in emergency situation, first we should not get panic. We should be calm and quiet. We should think what we can do or we cannot do. If we are not able to do, we should call to any person who can do. And after that, by giving him or her medical emergency treatment, after that we should take that person to the doctor for better treatment. So this is known as first aid. First aid means to give a person, to help a person in emergency situations or emergency medical help. That is known as first aid. Okay, so now I hope all of you have understood what is first aid, understood, and what all things we have to do. First thing is we should not get panic. We should be very calm and quiet, and we should think that what we can do. Okay, so, and don't crowd over there. If the person is injured, don't crowd over there. Provide him the fresh air. Provide the person fresh air. Okay. So let us study more detail about first aid. So for that, what we have to do? We have to take out social studies book, open it and take out page number 41. Okay. First, take out your social studies book, open it and take out page number 41. This page. Clear? Now, put your finger on your book and you have to read along with me. Lesson 8, first aid. Okay. Now, even if we follow safety rules, sometimes accidents may take place. In case somebody gets injured by an accident, we cannot reach a doctor at once. The immediate physical and medical attention needed by an injured person before proper medical aid arrives is called first aid. Okay, so whatever safety rules we are following, but sometimes what happens? Accidents occur. So at that time what we have to do? We should not get panic. We should be very calm and quiet, and we should do the things accordingly. Okay, and at that time when accidents happen, at that time we cannot call the doctor. So the immediate action, immediate physical and medical attention needed by an injured person, that is known as first aid. Okay, so at that time we should provide the injured person emergency treatment. So that is known as first aid. Okay, so now underline this word immediate. Take out your pencil and underline this word immediate. IMMEDIATE, immediate. Underline this word immediate. Immediate means done quickly. Done quickly or without delay. That is known as immediate. Immediate means done quickly or without delay. So write down the meaning. Done quickly or without delay. So while the happening of the accident, we cannot reach to doctor. At that time we cannot reach to doctor, so the immediate treatment is given, that is known as first aid. Okay. Now immediate care should be given to the victim of an accident. First aid can save a person's life. It can also prevent permanent injuries. Okay. Now underline this word victim. VICTIM, victim. ICTIM, victim. Victim means a person who has been injured. Or harmed. So this is known as victim. Victim means a person who has been injured or harmed. So that person is known as victim. Okay. Now note it down. Written. So immediate treatment may save the person's life. First aid can save a person's life and it may also prevent permanent injuries. So immediate treatment is also necessary. Okay. Now since accidents do not take place, we must know some basic rules to help the victims. We should know some points to save the victims when accidents happen. So let us see what all points we have to remember. Okay. Before that, see this picture. One picture is given over here. This picture is of first aid box. Okay. This picture is of first aid box, and in this first aid box, what all things are there? Bandage is there, cotton roll is there, scissor, then Dettol is there, then lotion, cream. All these things are kept inside this box. Okay, so this is known as first aid box, where all these things are kept, that is known as first aid box. Okay, now let us see what points we have to remember. Okay. Remember the following points when you give first aid to a person. When we are giving first aid to a person, means immediate, means emergency medical help. When we are giving a person emergency medical help, what all points we have to remember. Okay, the first point is do not panic. Think before you act. Decide what you can do to help. Do not try to give treatment when you are confused. You should not get panic at that time. You should think what I can do for this person. If you are not able to do, if you are confused, you should not do anything. You should not do anything. Okay? You just relax yourself. So underline this word confused. CONFUSED, confused. Confused means confused. Confused means unable to think. Unable to think or understand clearly. confused. Okay, confused means unable to think or understand clearly. You don't know what I have to do. So that is confused. Write down the meaning. Write down the meaning, all of you. Written. So at that time you should not get panic. You should think what I can do. It is whether it is possible for me or not to do anything. So you should, if you are confused, you should not do anything. Okay. Then second point, do not crowd around the person who is injured. Do not crowd. Do not make crowd that around that person. Let him get the fresh air. Then third point, when the injury is serious, send someone to call a doctor. If the injury is serious, if it is not able to handle with you, if it is not able to handle with you, then you should call a doctor. Okay. Then fourth one, severe bleeding is one of the most serious situations for first aid. According to priority, the objectives of first aid in case of bleeding should be. So, what is in accidents? What is the most serious situation? That bleeding. Bleeding is the most serious situation. To stop that, what we have to do? The objectives of first aid in case of bleeding. We should do stop the bleeding. We should try to stop the bleeding. Then listen the effect of shock. Check the entry of germs. Whether we should see the germs are going inside or not. Means the wound is, the injury is deep or it is towards upward only. So we should see all these points. Okay. See. Here one picture is given, a child giving first aid to a victim. This girl has fallen and this boy is giving her emergency medical help. See, the boy is cleaning the injury and putting medicine on that injury. So, this is first aid. Okay, giving a person to help a person in emergency situations. This is known as first aid. Okay. Now, turn the page, all of you. Take out page number 42. So, in accident, which one is the most serious situation? That is bleeding. Bleeding is the most serious situation. First, if bleeding is there, then what we have to try first? We should try to stop the bleeding. Okay. Then point number 5. If a person faints, do not crowd over him. Allow fresh air to come in. Sprinkle cold water on his forehead. This will help him or her to regain consciousness. Okay. Now underline this word sprinkle. S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E. Sprinkle. Underline this word. S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E. Sprinkle. Sprinkle means to shower drops of a liquid. To shower drops of a liquid, that is known as sprinkle. And write down the meaning. Okay, sprinkle means to shower drops of a liquid. Like this, we used to take water in our hands and we used to sprinkle water on the injured person. Okay, that is known as sprinkle. And if the person faints, faints means less consciousness. Okay, less consciousness. If the person is less consciousness, We should not make crowd around him or her. We should allow him or her to take the fresh air, and we should sprinkle water on his or her forehead. Okay, this will help him or her to regain consciousness. Okay, now sixth point, sometimes insects bite or sting us. These bites or stings cause severe pain and swelling. The following aids should be done to give relief. If suppose some insects bite or sting us, what happens? It may cause severe pain or swellings, isn't it? It may cause a severe pain or swelling will be there. So at that time what we have to do? The following aids should be done to give relief. So by doing what they will get relief, let us see. Okay, so A point, wash the affected area with lime water, then apply baking soda and cold cream. So at that time we should wash the affected area with lime water and then apply soda, or we have to apply, after that what we have to apply? We have to apply soda and cold cream. So first wash that area, wash that affected area. After that we should put cold cream or baking soda. Then B, place an ice pack over the affected area. After that what we have to do? We have to place ice pack on the affected area. Then a compress wetted with ammonia water also gives relief, or we can give compress wetted ammonia water. Then last one, in case of itching, apply calamine lotion. If itching is there, then what we have to use? Calamine lotion. So first point is we should wash that affected area, then place ice pack, or we should give them ammonia. We should compress wetted with ammonia water, or if itching is there, then we should apply calamine lotion. So keep all these points in your mind when you see any affected, injured persons. We should apply these things. Okay. So what is first aid? First aid means to help a person in emergency situations. So in front of you, if any person is injured, what you have to do? You have to give them what? First aid treatment. First aid. Okay, you should give them emergency medical help. If you are not able to do that, then you call the doctor very fast, or you take the person to the doctor immediately. Okay, so I hope this much all of you have understood what we have to do. Understood? So read this lesson clear. Read this lesson very carefully and understand the meanings also. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.